you're all doing great, and I guess you should be able to hear me and see me. So if you guys can hear and see me well, let me know in the chat with a thumbs up, with a U, so that we can get started. Hello, Mohammed Isham, Rishaidi, welcome, Sanvi Yadav fan, Logeshwari, Jaiwant. I'm so happy, I'm so excited to be here. And today's class, guys, we are going to look at some more functions. So it's going to be epic. Do stay tuned and do stay till the end because it's going to be fun. Hello, Logeshwari, Samuel John. Welcome, man. Shalini, Shweta, welcome, Shweta. Aditi, Jaiwant, Saurav Singh. Then we have Avantika. Sanvi is also here. Welcome, Sanvi. Nice to see you here. Great. Ayush Raj. Ayush Raj is from my batch. Welcome, Ayush Raj. Nice to see you, man. Sir, you got KVPY scholarship? Yes. But I cleared it in 12th standard. And since I joined IIT, I did not get any money. Because if you join a BTech course, you don't get the money. But of course, you are called a KVPY scholar because you got selected and you got eligible for the scholarship. Okay, so that's how it works. But if you ask me, did you get money from KVPY? No, because I joined engineering. KVPY is only for science. Got it? Hello, Koppu Gaurama, welcome. Sonu Roy, of course I remember you, man. You are regular to my classes. How can I forget? Harish, welcome Harish. I am doing great. As you can see, I am very excited. I am ready for today's class. It's going to be epic. It's going to be very easy. So we'll finish it probably in 45-50 minutes if you guys are quick. So shall we get started? When is the next session for 12th? So yesterday after the session I was a bit tired and I felt feverish. I was very scared that it might be coronavirus, but thankfully I escaped and now I am all right. So that's why I cancelled the 12th session yesterday. But guys, I'm all right now and I will have a great session coming in the next few days. When is your VIEEE video next? VIEEE exam is already started, right? Tomorrow is the exam, I think. Maybe if you guys want, we can try one session. Yes, Harish. All the best for all my 12th standard students who are writing VIEEE tomorrow. Guys, go do well, give it your best, and I hope you achieve whatever you want. Today is the first exam, is it? Okay, great. Velugula, welcome. Is it enough for JEE 2022? Likit, what I am teaching is the basics. So apart from this, if you want to do something more, you can join the pro subscription. I will show you at the end of the class. In that, we give you Tattva material. You can solve that and that will be a perfect combination for JEE 2022, JEE 2023. So my YouTube videos will be basic and pro subscription will teach you slightly higher level. Then Tattva material will be final nail in the coffin. So Tattva material is like the icing on the cake, the last thing which you have to do to take your preparation to the next level. So that is the sequence which we follow. If you are someone who's following that, Shimon Sir's YouTube classes, Vedantu pro subscription, Tattva material, and on top of that Cengage, then you are poised for a top rank in IIT. I can give it in writing for you. I can give it in writing for you. Got it? So in case you are not following this, make sure you're following something similar, but this is what I would recommend 100% to all my lovely children. Got it? Okay, fantastic people. From where will we get Vedantu profile picture? You can download it in the description, man. I mean, you're asking the ninja profile picture, right? So you can get it from the description of this video. Yes, Shalini, we'll get started. Tenyat, welcome Tenyat. Sanvi Yadav fan, one word in Malayalam. I don't know what to say. So I'll think about it. Maybe at the end I'll do. Hello Jashan, welcome. Aditya Raj, Vedika, Abhijit. Yes, Abhijit, life has been great. Today I'm all right. And I'm looking forward to learn something awesome in this class with you guys. Okay, so let's get started, people. Sanvi is saying Sugal. Sanvi is trying to learn Malayalam. Sanvi, don't impress your fan too much, okay? Already they are impressed, so it's okay. You don't have to try too hard. Great. So people, let's get going. Today's chapter is relations and functions, and we are going to look at lecture number 6. Got it? It is going to be lecture number 6, and we are going to look at exponential function today. So some of you might be knowing what is exponential function. Some of you might be new to this, but don't worry, after today's class, all of you will be at the same level. I will ensure that. Okay? So people, let's get started. This is for 10th standard students moving to 11th standard, and it is part of the nurture series. Okay? So it is good for everybody who wants to revise basics with me. And who am I? My name is Shimon Joseph, and I'm a math master teacher at Vedantu. So I teach mathematics for 11th standard and for 12th standard. And I help students preparing for JEE Mains and JEE Advanced basically. To talk about my background, I did my BTech from IIT. So I also prepared for many exams like you guys. So you guys are writing KVPY, you guys are writing JEE Mains, JEE Advanced. So I also prepared for all of that. I cleared all of that, and that's why I got into IIT, and I had 5 wonderful years in IIT Madras. So I'm basically from Chennai. You might be thinking, sir, you studied in Chennai, you lived in Chennai. Then why did you choose IIT Madras, sir? You could have gone for some other IIT, no? You could have had fun away from home. And guys, IIT Madras was a very top ranked IIT. I hope you know that. Right now it is the #1 IIT. So because of all those reasons, and because of home food, and because of Chennai, I wanted to be here, and that's why I chose IIT. It was brilliant. I'm sure you guys can also decide like that, whatever you want. People usually prefer IIT Bombay, but I'm okay with all IITs, especially the old IITs. You'll have fantastic life, so you can go for it. Hello Devan Singh, welcome man. Hello to your brother. Yes, I'm almost becoming like my brother. I think in 1 or 2 more weeks, we'll be the same. Okay, so if you find him in Vedantu, say hi to him and be nice to him. Okay, so shall we get started, people? Hello Arun, welcome Arun. Nice to see you. Hello Eknath. Eknath, I'm seeing you after a long time. What happened? You're coming after ages. And everybody's saying, sir, you're sweating a lot. Yes, guys. I don't know. My AC is also not working properly these days. Okay, now it's better, I think. Okay, so people, in case you want to talk to me, in case you want to ask me something, you can message me on Instagram. So this is my Instagram ID, Shimon_Joseph. And that's the same ID I have in Telegram as well. So message me in case you want to ask something about IIT, about how to join Vedantu, about what to do, how to prepare, what is the best combination. I will help you out, don't worry. Show us your studio. I'll do that maybe one day, Sharon. I will clean it and then show you. Right now, if you see, then you will not come to this channel again. Okay, so people, this is JEE Enthuse, the English channel of Vedantu for JEE preparation. Okay, so in case you guys are all preparing for IIT, then if you want to study in English, then this is probably the best channel you can find in YouTube, because it is by Vedantu. The name should itself mean something, isn't it? So people, do subscribe if you haven't already, and like I said, share it with your friends in case you enjoy the videos in this channel. And finally, like the video so that you can encourage all your teachers, not just this one, but also your physics and chemistry videos as well. So guys, is the board blur? Is it not clear? Abhijit says it is blurred. I am not very sure about it, Abhijit, because I think it seems fine for everybody else. Does Tattva material change every year? Yes, Jayvant, we add corrections. Sometimes we add better questions. So please do get the Tattva material for current year. How do you get it? Just join the pro subscription, you will get it. As simple as that. Okay, very good, Abhijit. So people, let's get started. And like I said, please do share it to your friends. Everyone, each one should reach one. Okay, don't go and catch somebody. go and reach someone. I hope you will do that. Okay, every day just message someone and ask them to watch this. Maybe they'll love it. So please do spread the word. And guys, many of you are studying online this year. So, and you are deciding where to join. Be it crash course for 21 batch, be it 1 year program for 22 batch, and be it 2 year program for 23 batch. All of you are currently in a place where you are deciding where to join. My friend suggested local institute. One more friend suggested X institute. One more friend suggested Y institute. My parents spoke to their colleague. They said Z institute. Where do I join? What to do? How to prepare online? These are the questions which might be going on right now. And guys, your education cannot be compromised at this important phase. So make sure you are in a place where your future is secure, where your teachers and the entire organization takes care of your preparation and takes responsibility for you. That is very important. Okay, make sure you guys are all securing yourself in a nice place. Got it? So we have Vedantu's results as well. I hope you're all aware of it. Vedantu students performed exceptionally well, and a lot of students are taking the crash course for last minute boost. So do check it out in case you are interested, in case you are in 2021 batch, and the others can join the pro subscription. I'll talk about it towards the end. Okay. So guys, let's get started. Fantastic creative minds. Nancy. So people, are you all ready? Are you all excited? Let me know in the chat and we will get into the session. Please let me know, guys. Absolutely, Saurav, every day, because we have lots of new students coming in and they love to join Vedantu Pro. So that is why it is our job to at least let them know that Vedantu Pro is there for everybody of this country. Okay, that's why we do this every session. It is important. Got it? Very good, Shalini, very good, Aishwarya. That's the spirit. So with that same energy, let's get started, people. What is the answer for this question? Did everybody complete it? Did everybody complete it? Please let me know, guys. What is the answer? Many people did not comment down the answer. We had only 40 answers. Come on, guys. You are going from good to bad to worse. I want forward march, okay? You are marching reverse. Don't do that, guys, okay? At least increase it by 1 or 2 or at least 5. Don't go backside. Got it? So when you are marching, when you are improving, march forward. Don't go back. Got it? So how do you solve this question? Let's have a look at it. 2x, right? So it is going to be 2 into 3.42 plus you have greatest integer function of minus 4 into x. So that will be how much? Can you guys tell me what that value will be? Any idea? It will be 13.68. Is that correct? Everybody? So minus 13.68 plus 1. Can you guys just check it whether it is right or wrong? And it is smallest integer function. It is SIF. And then you have minus 2 times of 3x minus 4. So 3x will be 10.26, right? So 10.26. Is that right, people? Everybody? And then you have minus 4. So 3x minus 4 plus 3 times of, you will have minus 6x. So what is 6? 6 3s are 18. 18 plus, what do we have? 2.52. So 20.52, I guess. So minus 20.52 plus you have 2.8. Guys, just check my calculation. I might be wrong. Just check it and then let me know. Okay. So this will be what? 6.84 plus it will be the greatest or smallest integer function. Smallest integer function of minus 12.68. So that will be minus 12, isn't it? So that will be minus 12. Then you'll have minus 2 times into 10.26 minus 4, 6.26 will be 6, isn't it? Plus 3 times of, what will you have? You will have, any idea, the last one? Minus 20.52 plus 2.8. What will that be, guys? Can you guys subtract it and tell me what that value will be? Minus 20.52 plus 2.8. Can you please do it? Everybody, it will be 17, huh? 17.7, is it? 17.72, is that right? Okay, I think that should be right. Is that correct, people? Very good, very good. So it's going to be what? 6.84 minus 12 will be minus 5.16. Okay, then you'll have minus 12 plus 3 times of, it will be 0.28. Is that right? So you'll have minus 17.16 plus 0.84. So that's the answer if you do that. Okay, did you all like it? Good question. Very, very good, Raghav, Tenyat. Fantastic, fantastic. Brilliant, brilliant. Shalini, you are right, Shalini. Shamini, very good, Shamini. Pushpanjali, Sai Shashank, very good. You guys are absolutely right. Yes, Vishal Singh, it will cover the basic from 11th standard. Okay. So, Anita, every Monday there is a batch starting, but I started my batch on May 10th. So if you want to join my batch, then it might be a bit late. You will probably have to go through 3 weeks of classes. So if you're okay with that, then you can join my batch. Otherwise, you will have to join the upcoming batches. I hope that's all right. But the teachers, Amita, like I said, they're all very good. Only if you join, you will get to meet them. Only if you join, you will know them. Okay? Yes, Abhijit, tomorrow we have an extra class in my batch. So people, with that, shall we move forward? Guys, the screen is not blur. Please don't keep asking that again and again. You have to increase your resolution. So watch it at 720 pixel. Watch it at 720 pixel. Okay? So let's move forward, people. The others who have doubts, just pull the video back and have a look at it. So Rajita, all you need to do is just pull the video back, Rajita, and you will be able to follow. Because if I spend too much time, then we will not be able to cover what I planned for today. Got it? So let's get going, people. What are the answers? I got very few answers. Very disappointed. But I at least hope now you can march forward easily. Because now the target is very less. Yesterday we had only 40 comments. So I think we can go more than 40 by the next session. Got it? So please do comment down your answers, guys. It is not that you come, listen, have fun and go away. No. There are commitments. Every relationship has a commitment, right? I'm sure you guys have seen that enough in movies. It's always give and take. Nothing comes for free, right? So whenever you come here, please do share it to your friends and comment down the answers as well. Okay. So who is the right answer among the comments? Shalini, Sridevi, Nikhil, Gamer Dheeraj, Abhishek, Firdos, Aishwarya, Jayvant, Naveen, Logeshwari, Avantika. Then we have Chinmay, and we have Sanvi Yadav Fan, Tenyat, Sashank, Chiranjeevi, Harita, Sashidhar, Ashkar, Astro, Shrida, Chamini Mini, Sangvi, Kanishkar, then Arts, Crafty Kitchen, Shashank. You guys are amazing. Tenyat as well. Risky Warrior, Pushpanjali, Sadi, Kaushik, Sangeeta, Gautam, Vedika, and Sanvi. Vedika was latest. You see that? Vedika answered 4 minutes ago. Legendary. You are lucky. Correctly, when we were making this, you answered. So you got featured. Otherwise, you would have missed it. Okay? Each one share one. Of course, guys, take it very seriously. So that's your homework every day. Each one, let one friend know that this channel is there, that we are doing a great job. And that would make the family bigger. And it would be fun to discuss with a lot of people. Hello Teja, you're not late. We are just getting started. So people, this is the most important part where I show you what we are going to study today, and you guys can decide how important it is and you can stay till the end. Okay. So what have we done so far? Okay, again the bridge course is there. So bridge course we did long back, modulus, greatest integer function, logarithmic function. Then we did set. Then we went on to relations. After relations, we saw what is function, where we discussed domain and range of a function. So now that we have completed all of this, In the last class, I started talking about special functions, constant function, identity function, smallest integer function, fractional part function, and already we discussed modulus and greatest integer function, logarithmic function also. So whatever I have covered already, I will not do again. So in case you are new to this channel, go check out these videos. Under the bridge course, I taught you Baba function, which is the modulus function. Then I taught you greatest integer function. I also taught you logarithmic function in a very simple manner. Go check it out, it will be useful for you. Now, what is today's objective? Today's objective is exponential function. I'm going to teach you in and out of it. It's going to be epic. So please make sure you guys are all listening. This is going to be a very short and cute session. It's fabulous. Okay. Will you start another batch in Pro subscription? Guys, I'm going to take a lot of micro courses. So even if you're not in my batch, you can attend these sessions. That is the best part about Vedantu. So please make sure you are joining immediately when the time is right. Okay. Fantastic. So let's get started, people. What is exponential function? Do you all know that? Have you heard of it before? Many of you might be wondering, what is this exponential function? Have I studied it before? Yes, my dear boys, my dear girls, you would have done it already. Okay. Very good, Sharon. Sharon, you are right. Shweta, fantastic. Sanvi says nope. But today we will see how and why exponential functions are important. Okay, so exponential function means any function which has a constant raised to some power. That is what we call as exponential function, but there are some rules associated. It is not something simply a power x, I can call it exponential. There are rules attached and I'm going to teach you everything today. So please wait and listen to me carefully. So whenever you have a constant number, so what is a constant? Here a is the constant number and it should not be 1. So a should not be 1. Why a should not be 1? Because if a is 1, then 1 to the power anything will always be 1 only. Then why should I study that? Is it rocket science? It's not like we are all cavemen, right? We are not living in cave. That you will come to me and say, sir, 1 to the power x is always 1, sir. I will get Nobel Prize for that. No, you will not. Okay, so that is kind of obvious. So we don't want to care about it. We just let it go. Okay, chalega. Let's just throw it away. Got it? That is not important because we Indians are very smart, right? We want something more entertaining, something more creative than that. So that is why a cannot be 1. Are you all clear with it? Are you all clear with it? So a cannot be 1 and a will be a constant number, any constant number that you can think of. Now, the next question everybody will ask is, sir, can a be negative, sir? Can I have exponential function like this? Who is that smart person? Manoj, Veera, Srinivas, Kolla. Okay, is that your name? All of it? Okay, great. So you are right, Manoj. You are absolutely right because this is not an exponential function. Why? Very good, Manoj, but give me a reason. Manoj is absolutely right. Why so? Why is this not an exponential function? Can anybody answer that? Yes, Pavan, you are right. Hello, Ankit. Vaibhav, welcome, Vaibhav. Very nice to see you. Manoj, I want to understand why, Manoj. Give me a reason. Nishchaya Jajodia is absolutely right. Very good, Nishchaya. But I want it to be more elaborate. Please let me know. Because it can be positive or negative. Lavanis, you have to check it. That is partially correct. But Shweta, why? I want you to tell me why. Everybody give me a reason. It is not partially right. It is not completely right, whatever you guys are saying. Please think about it and then tell me, guys. Everybody. Okay. Very good, Kanishkar. Kanishkar is absolutely right. Brilliant. So let me explain it. Listen very carefully. Very good. So if I have minus 2 and here x can be anything, na? So for exponential functions, x can be anything, my dear children. Are you all cool with it? Is everybody fine? So now if x is half, will this be defined? No, it will not be defined. Why? Because half means it will be square root. How can I have square root of a negative number? That makes no sense, isn't it? Very good. You guys are so smart. You guys are amazing. Got it? So this leads to complex values, and because of that, your exponential function, the base cannot be negative. It should not be negative, and it cannot be 0 as well. Why? Because if it is 0, again, like the cavemen, 0 to the power x is always 0. Why do you want to study that? Just let it go. Got it? So what are the values a can take? A can take values greater than 0, less than 1, or a can be greater than 1. So this is a very crucial condition. Please remember it. Please remember it. Very important. Very good, Vedika. Very good, Vedika. That's right. Fantastic. Muniappan, absolutely. This is exponential function, Muniappan. So I am talking about what are the values the base can take. The base can take any value greater than 0 but not equal to 1. Are you all fine with it? Fantastic. So people, shall we move forward? So now, what are the basics that we learned? The basics that we learned are exponential function is always of the form f of x is equal to a to the power x. Are you all clear with that? F of x is equal to a to the power x, and x can be anything. X can be all real numbers. So please remember, the domain of exponential function is all real numbers. I can put anything I want inside. I can put anything I want inside x. But the values of a, I can't put whatever I want. A must belong to 0 to 1, or it should be 1 to infinity. Got it? So this is something which you guys have to remember. Very good. Manoj, x can be anything, Manoj. X can be negative, x can be positive, Manoj. Understood? But a only a, you have some restriction, Manoj. I hope you're all clear. Why not 1? Because Abhijit, I told you now, 1 to the power anything is always 1 only. So why do you have to study that separately? Got it? So we don't deal with that at all. We just let it go. Are you all clear? So people, with that, let's move forward. Let's get going. So what are the terms? So what do you call x over here? Can you guys tell me the terminology? All my mathematicians, future Ramanujans, please tell me what is x, what is a? Can you guys give me the names of it? X is called power, okay, but I would prefer exponent. Sudhir Avinash is right. Very good, Anjana. Very good, Rakashia. Very good. Yes, exponent is the right word, people. You guys are all absolutely right. Index is also correct, Lavanis, but I would prefer the value exponent. Now somebody is asking, sir, can a be a fraction? Can a be a fraction? What is the answer? Can anybody answer him? Can a be a fraction? What is the answer? Can you people reply that person? Who is that? Manoj. X is called exponent, Manoj. X can be anything. Okay. And people, for those who are asking, can a be a fraction? Yes, a can be a fraction because a belongs to 0, 1 as well. Nah? So any number from 0 to 1 is called as a fraction. If that is a fraction you are referring to, yes, a can be a fraction. It can be 1 by 2, it can be 3 by 4, it can be 1 by 9, whatever you want. A can take all these values, but just ensure that a is positive. That is what you need to do. Are you all clear? Exactly. A must be positive. That I cannot compromise. Are you all clear? Very good, Leena. That is absolutely right, Vedika. You are correct. Can A be decimal? I don't know what to reply for that. Guys, I am just blown away. You guys have gone next level, man. You have gone to God level. You are near Bhagwan. Come down, come down. Come down to earth. So, someone asked, can A be a fraction? Okay, I thought it is a great doubt. Let me answer that. Now one guy is asking, sir, can A be a decimal? Now third guy will ask, sir, can A have some values after the dot? Please, control guys. All of it means the same, okay? Come on. When you have a fraction, if you simplify it, you will have decimal. Got it? So please take care of it and ask very, very relevant doubts. Now, let's keep moving forward. So, what is A called as? A is called as base. A is called as base, okay? And like I said, base will always be a positive real number. And x is called as the exponent. It can be any real number. Is that clear? Is A domain or range? Lavanis, A is not domain, A is not range also, man. A is just a constant. But there are some restrictions on it when we talk about exponential function. So when you are talking about exponential function, A cannot be whatever you want. So A has to be positive and A should not be 1. That's the restriction on A. It is just a constant. Whereas the value x, that is called as domain. Are you all clear? Very good, Manoj. So this is the domain. Got it? So the domain can be any real number. Range, we will have a look at it later. I will teach you by drawing the graph of it. Hello Kunal, welcome Kunal. So people, with that, let's get started. Very, very tough questions. You guys have to squeeze your brain, otherwise it's impossible to arrive at the answer. Okay, so take help for these questions. I will give you lifelines. Okay, you can call a friend or you can ask for elimination of options. It's up to you. Hello Devraj, welcome man. Devansh, very good Devansh. Kunal, Abhijit, very good. Rakashia is also right. Sudhir, Anjana, Raghav, Kanishkar, Nidhi, Steve Joel, Kaushik, Abhijit, Anjana, Sanvi, Leena, Vedika is right. Ashkar, Ayush Raj, and very good. All of these are absolutely right. So I am pronouncing somebody's name wrong. Okay, Ragasia. Oh, Ragasia. Okay, okay. Okay, that's a nice name. That's a unique name. But I think the English version of it, I got carried away. But anyway, welcome to this channel, Ragasia. Nice to have you here. So people, what is the answer for this question? See, this is positive 45, positive 0.26. It's decimal for half of you. It's a fraction for half of you. Now you got it, right? Everybody. They are like, yes, now we are happy, sir. So it's a positive fraction or a positive decimal. This is a positive number. So positive, positive, positive. And to the power you have x, x, x. So that is allowed. So this is exponential, this is exponential, this is exponential. But this is wrong because this is not an exponential function. Are you all clear? Why is this not an exponential function? Because your base should be a constant. Your base cannot be varying. So here the base is a varying number, whereas your power is a constant. That we don't want. Okay, are you all clear? Exactly, Lavanis, you are right. So with that people, let's get going to the next JEE Advanced question right on your question screen. Please do it. 13 by 50. Yes, it's a fraction and that is equal to 0.26. So Sharon, you have bridged the gap between those supporting fractions and those supporting decimals. Thank you, Sharon. We need more people like you. Very good. Ragasia, Nancy, Kanishkar, Ayush Raj, Vedika, Jaiwant, Anjana, Ashkar, Devansh, Shweta, Lavanis, Anvika, Shalini. Yes, Olympiad question it seems. Aishwarya, Please increase the brightness, sir. Okay, I will try to increase the brightness. Let's see if it helps. So this will increase the brightness, I guess. Okay, let's have a look at it. Sudhir says believe in B. Supriya Rani, Raghav and Tenyat, Prince Singalia, Manoj, Chavan, and then we have Prince Abhijit. Very good, very good, very good. So the answer is option B, because guys, when you have an exponential function, the independent variable or the x value is exponent while the base is a constant. So this is the independent value. So this is the independent value and it is called as exponent. Okay, and the other one is the base, which is going to be a constant, isn't it? The base has to be a constant. Only then you can call it an exponential function. So this is what we call as an exponential function. So when you have an exponential function, you have a base, you have raised to an exponent. So the base should be a constant. That's why option B is correct. A is wrong because it cannot be varying. A or B, of course, not correct. None of these is also wrong because B is correct. Are you all clear? Very easy, laddu stuff. Now, let's have a look at this question. Another legendary question. B for Baba. Yes, Anjana says Hush Baba. Hush Baba is in binomial theorem chapter. I just saw the video today. I was like, what? Guys, we have to pick up speed. So we need to go to binomial theorem now, very fast. But don't worry, we'll do it with time. Yes, it's A, it seems. Okay. Today was second lecture. Okay. Oh, he skipped a few chapters. I didn't know that. Okay, great. That's why I was wondering, how come binomial theorem so fast? But I think in Vedantu, different channel, different chapters are going on, right? So it's a good thing. You can watch everywhere. You can watch basics of functions here. I think Arvind Kalia sir is taking different chapter. Harsh sir is taking different chapter. So you guys can taste everything. Like lots of dishes for you. Isn't it? Great. So people, what is the answer? The answer is option A. Here also some people are making mistake, man. Who is that? Mary. What are you saying, Mary? It is not B. It is A, na? It is A, na? Please check it. Because you have 3 power 1, 3 power 1, 3 power 1, 3 power 1, 3 power 1. So whenever bases are same and the numbers are being multiplied, you basically add the powers, Mary. You basically add the powers. So it's going to be 3 to the power 5 and that's your answer. Did you all know that? You learned it in 6th standard or 7th standard or 8th standard or 9th standard or 10th standard. Did you all learn it before? Yes? Fantastic. So when you have the bases to be the same and if they are multiplied, you basically add the powers. Okay? Great. So with that, people, let's get going to the next question. So next question is also legendary. It's Abhishek sir. Yes, yes, yes. So people, how many of you are getting it correct? All right, it's A. Yes, yes, yes. I wanted to test your basics. Your basics seems okay. Not bad. Not bad, not bad, people. So here also the same thing. You have a fixed number, a constant, and all of it is multiplied. So it will be 1 by 3 to the power 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So 4 times I'll add them, because since the bases are same and they are multiplied, I can add the powers. So it will be 1 by 3 power 4, which can be written as 3 power minus 4 also. So this is also correct. This is also right. Okay. Because whenever you have a number in the denominator, I can bring it to the numerator by negating the power. Okay. I hope you all know that. So if you have 1 by a, it can be written as a to the power minus 1. So if I have 1 by a square, I can write it as a to the power minus 2. So if I have 1 by 3 to the power 4, I can write it as 3 to the power minus 4. I hope you are aware of it. That's why I said this can also be the answer. This can also be the answer. Please be aware of these things. Okay. So with that, people, let's get going. Now, the graph of a power x. So this is something which everybody would like to know, isn't it? How do you think the graph of a power x will look like? Any idea? So the graph of a power x is surprisingly very interesting because, my dear children, for a greater than 1, it is going to be a different graph, and for a less than 1, it's going to be a different graph. Got it? So these two graphs are going to be very unique and they are going to be different from each other. Very good, Manoj. Manoj is absolutely right. So let us take an example. Let's say case 1 is when a is greater than 1. So let's take an example of 2 power x graph. So 2 power x graph will fall under this case. Are you all clear with it? Hello Ashwini, wow, welcome. You are from my batch, is it? Welcome, great, great, great. Today is what you know. Today is the benchmark test. Yes, I know. All the best, Vansh. All the best, Abhijit, and all my class students. Go kill it and come. Okay. Yes, yes, yes. Very good. Prabhanshu Kant. You are absolutely right. Sanvi Yadav, Steve Joel. Yes. Guys, please listen carefully. When you have 2 power x, how will the graph look like? So let's plot the graph. So let's say x equal to 0, x equal to 1, x equal to 2, x equal to 3, x equal to 4, and so on. And we have x equal to minus 1, x equal to minus 2. So when x is minus 2, it will be 2 power minus 2, which will be 1 by 4. And this will be 2 power minus 1, which will be 1 by 2. 2 power 0 is 1. And then 2 power 1 will be 2. 2 power 2 will be 4. 2 power 3 will be 8. 2 power 4 will be 16. So the graph actually will be like this. It will be something like this, and it is called as an increasing graph. It is called as an increasing graph. So the graph will be like this. You see, from left to right, it will be continuously increasing. Are you all clear with it, everybody? From left to right, it will be increasing, and that is why the graph is called as an increasing graph. Because as I keep moving from left to right, the graph will keep moving upwards. So this is the behavior for a power x when a is greater than 1. Are you all clear? So whenever someone asks you, students, please plot the graph of exponential function provided a is greater than 1. How will you draw it? You will draw it like this. Everybody clear with it? 2 to the power minus 2, Sharon, is 1 by 4. Clear? Fantastic, fantastic. So people, I hope you're all clear with it. So this is something which I really want everyone to understand. So I gave you an example. I took 2 to the power x function and I plotted the points. 2 power 3, 2 power 4. Like that, you plot all the points and you join all of them. This is how the graph will look like. This blue color line is called as the exponential function graph whenever your a is greater than 1. And Sharon, that's a very simple question, Sharon. 2 power minus 2 is 1 by 2 power 2. 1 by 2 power 2 can be written as 1 by 2 into 2. So it will be 1 by 4, Sharon. That's a basic question. You should be aware of it. Are you all clear with it? And Sanvi, it is 3, 8, Sanvi, not 3.8. 3, 8 because x is 3 and y will be 8, na? Correct only. Because when x is 3, y will be 2 power 3. And 2 power 3 is 8, na Sanvi. Same way x is 4, y will be 2 power 4. When x is 2, y will be 2 power 2, and so on. Like that it keeps going. Are you all clear with it? Shall we move forward? Yes. If a is equal to 1, it's a straight line. That's why we don't study that, na? Shweta, I told you a equal to 1, we don't study separately. The line will never touch the left side x-axis. Yes, you are right, Sudhir. Very good. That is an awesome observation. So the line will keep coming closer and closer and closer to the x-axis, but it will never touch the x-axis. It will always be above the x-axis. That is why the range of exponential function is 0 to infinity, 0 open, infinity open. Or in other words, I can say it is all positive real numbers. So that is the range. What is range? Range is the Range is the set of values taken by the function. So if you see the set of values taken by the function, what are the values taken in the y-axis? Only positive y-axis is covered, na? There is nothing in the negative y-axis. So negative y is never taken. So the only values taken are positive y, which is nothing but positive real numbers. Even 0 is not taken. Why? Because this blue color line will never touch the x-axis. It will always be above the x-axis. Are you clear with it? Did you like it? Did you all enjoy it? Very, very good. How come, sir, at some point it should touch the x-axis? No. That means, Stevie Joel, you are saying that 2 power x is equal to 0. Only then it can touch it, na? So that means you are saying x is equal to minus infinity. And even at minus infinity, it becomes approximately equal to 0. So we can never say. Because only when x is minus infinity, 2 power minus infinity will be almost 0. So that's what is happening, right? As we keep going towards minus infinity, the value becomes almost 0. But can you reach minus infinity? Nobody knows, right? So we say it appears to be touching, but not touching. Correct? Are you all clear? Beautiful concept. Did you all enjoy it? Shall we move forward, guys? Yes? Absolutely 0. 2 power 0 is 1 Shalini. 2 power 0 is 1 Sharon. Okay, so people try to solve this question. Let's keep going forward. What are the coordinates of 2 power 6? So at x equal to 6, it will be 2 power 6. So it will be 64. Ragasya. So it will be 6, 64. Sir, excluding 1 or not? 1 will be taken, Vedika. Vedika, I am talking about range, not about the values of A. Please don't get confused. Okay, the values of A are positive numbers without 1. You're right. But right now I'm talking about range, Vedika. So when we talk about range, it is a set of values which the exponential functions can take. So it takes 1 also, because 3 to the power 0 is 1 now, Vedika. Any number power 0 will give you 1. So 1 will always be there in the range, Vedika. Don't forget that. Okay, so people, what is the answer? What is the answer? The answer is, any idea? If A is greater than 1, which of the following are right? Very good, people. I think both A and B are right. Do you all agree? Both A and B are right. Isn't that correct? Yes, people, fantastic. Because A power x will be lesser than A to the power x plus 1. Absolutely. Because it's an increasing function, na? It's an increasing function. So obviously this will be greater. Similarly, A power x will be lesser than A plus 1 power x because A is greater than 1. So both are gonna be right. You can take examples for it. So if you take, let's say 2 power x and 2 power x plus 1, obviously this will be greater. Okay, because this is 2 into 2 power x. So this has to be greater, na? And what is this? This is nothing but 2 power x is less than 3 power x. And that's kind of obvious, right? So both A and C are right. Just give examples whenever you can't solve it completely. Try to take examples. That will make your life a bit easier. Got it? So that's how you solve it, my dear children. With that, let's keep moving forward. The solutions are attached. You guys can go through it later on. Now coming to the next case, when A is a fraction. So when A is a fraction, what happens? Can you guys think about it and let me know? How do you proceed? How do you solve it? Everybody think about it and tell me. Will it be an increasing function or will it be a decreasing function? Think about it and answer. It's a very good question. Fantastic. Nitish Kumar, for logarithms, please check out my bridge course videos. They will be very helpful for you. Very good, Sanvi. You are absolutely right. Raghav is correct. Navadeep, please tell me, Navadeep, what is your doubt? Tenyat, very good, Tenyat. Shalini, you guys are awesome. So people, everybody is right. You guys are absolutely amazing. It will be a decreasing function. Why will it be a decreasing function? Let's have a look at it. So we have a to be a fraction. So can I take the example as half to the power x? Can I take this as the example? Are you guys okay with that? F of x is equal to half to the power x. Can I do that? How many of you are okay with that? Is this a right example for this case? Is this a right example for this case? Yes or no? Absolutely right? Very good, very good, very good. Now let's take the values. So this is y, na? So let's find x and y. Just like your 9th and 10th standard, how you used to solve. In 9th and 10th standard you used to solve, na? Put values for x and y and try to get some 5-6 points and then plot it. So when x is 0, y will be 1. When x is minus 1, y will be 2. When x is minus 2, y will be 4. When x is plus 1, it will be 1 by 2. When x is plus 2, it will be 1 by 4. When x is plus 3, it will be 1 by 8. How many of you got this table? Go through it. Tell me if you are all able to understand it. Tell me if you guys are all able to understand it. Very good. Sharon got a star for neat table. Yes. Now how are they giving you stars? Through Zoom class or through online medium. Now it's very difficult for teachers to even give stars to students. Okay. Fantastic people. So are you all clear with this? Is this topic important for JEE Mains? Absolutely yes, guys. This is a very crucial topic for JEE Mains. Okay. Sending stars directly from the sky. Good, good, good. What is We Nurture? We Nurture is the series for 11th standard students where we teach right from the basics. Okay. So people, now that you have got all these points, let's plot them. Okay. Let's plot them. So when you plot them, how will you find it to be? You will find it to be like this. Got it? So this is how it will look like. It will be a decreasing function. Can you all see that? Can you all see that, everybody? So this is the graph of 1 by 2 power x. So you see at minus infinity it will be infinity and at plus infinity it will tend to 0. So this is the graph of 1 by 2 power x or a to the power x when a is between 0 to 1. When a lies between 0 to 1. So this is how the graph will look like. Are you all clear with it? Very good. It will not touch the right side x-axis. You are right, Sudhir. Absolutely correct. Okay. So Navadi, please pull the video back and have a look at it, man. These are all very simple stuff. I'm sure you guys will be able to understand it. So what are the important points? Please remember there are two cases. Whenever you have a power x now, whenever you have the graph of exponential function, that is a power x, there are two cases. When a is greater than 1, when a is between 0 to 1. So this will be an increasing function and this will be a decreasing function. That is something which you have to remember. It is a very important observation. Don't ever forget it. Are you all clear with that? Are you all clear with that, people? Fantastic. Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. So with that, people, let's get moving forward to some questions. Everybody try it out and then we will discuss it. These are all some interesting questions which I want everybody to solve. Please do it. Okay, so guys, what is the answer? Everybody has already gone for it and so many of you are right. You guys are absolute legends. Shalini, Frederick, Samuel, Raghav, Ragasya, Sanvi, Saurav, Vedika, Anjana, Logeshwari, Sejal, and we have people Tainiyat, Jayvant, and then we have Sudhir, Frederick Prabhu. Great job, guys. Nitish, very good, Nitish. Ashkar, you guys are right. Pushpanjali, you are also right. Manoj, very good. Aditya Sendil, Ayush Raj, Sridat, you guys are absolutely correct. Prince is also right. Keep it up, people. Keep it up. Om Raj. So how will you solve this? So 0.3 power x is equal to, this is what? 27 by 1000. So you can write it as 3 by 10 whole power cube. So you can write 0.3 power x is equal to 3 by 10 is 0.3 power 3. So whenever bases are same, compare the powers. So x will be equal to 3. Are you all cool with it? This is how you solve it step by step. This is how we solve it step by step. Are you guys comfortable? Vansh, why is it option D, man? Think about it. Oh, D is alone. Nice. So you choose humanity. Great, man. You will make it into NDA, I'm sure. Fantastic. So people, let's get going forward to the next one. Are you all ready? Yes. Fantastic, people. So this is the next question which I have for you. Something interesting, something fun. So this is riddle time. Everybody, please think about it and solve it. This is a fantastic question. Better to be alone, Sharon says. Okay, great. Now, finally, I have brought some good question. Let's see if you guys can handle it. So you're all answering very fast, no? So I thought I'll bring some tough question. And this time, let's see if you guys are answering. Now itself, I'm happy because it's already been 15 seconds, nobody answered. That is itself an achievement in YouTube, man. Because in YouTube, people are so fast. I don't know how you guys get it. Do you Google it or do you search it? Or do you have that much brain that you can answer any riddle I bring? Nope. That's not right. Nope. Sir, can I buy Cengage Logarithm? Yes, Nitish Kumar. It's a very good book. You can buy it. You can buy it. It's good. You can go for it. Who is that? But your name is still Sanvia the fan, man. Options, please, Sejal says. His domain is R. Okay, see, now you guys are struggling. Finally, I have brought a good question. I feel very happy. So guys, do you all give up? Open your mouth and say it. Do you all give up? Open your mouth, sir, we agree, we give up. You can do it, sir. Domain is R. No, domain is not R. Domain is A, B, C, D, E, F, G till Z. Okay. That's not fair. Wait, I'll ask Google Baba. I don't know whether Google Baba also knows the answer for this. Okay, we have one answer. We have two answers. Now everybody got it. So guys, yes, 252 is the answer. It is 252. So the way you do it is a power 4 is equal to 2 power 4 minus 2. So that is 16 minus 2, which will be 14. Now this will be what? This will be b power 4 is equal to 3 power 4 minus 3, which will be equal to 81 minus 3, which is equal to 78. So I'll have c power 4 is equal to 4 power 4 minus 4, which is 256 minus 4, and that will be 252. Amazing! Not bad, guys. Sharon, Shweta, Joel, Matthew, Raghav, you guys are all absolutely correct. Good job, good job. Not bad. I am surprised that people have got it, but you guys have taken time. So this was a good question. This is how I'm going to bring questions from now on, where you guys can think and then answer. Otherwise, it's too easy. The moment I give, 100 people will answer, sir, this is the answer. So that is no fun, right? It's always fun when you give a riddle and people are scratching their heads. If they immediately get it, it's no fun. Especially for the guy who's asking it. Great. So people, with that, let's get going. Satvik, why, man? What happened? Are you all right? So people, many of you are aware of the classes at Vedantu. So I also take a pro batch at Vedantu. In case you also want to join my batch, in case you also want to be there in Vedantu studying with the best teachers like Vani ma'am, Abhishek sir, Arvind sir, some great teachers who can impart real education to you, then please do check out the pro subscription. So this is how our classes are. We call it the Wave platform. We have animations, we have cool questions, quizzes, hotspots, by which students' learning is really fun and really efficient. Okay. So make sure you guys go check it out. I will show you towards the end of the class. And yes, the class is not over. We will still go forward and look at some important stuff. So shall we get going? Speak Hindi. Mayank, I am from Chennai, man. My Hindi is not very good. I don't speak good Hindi. What is Abhishek sir taking? Abhishek sir takes physics for 9th and 10th standard. So in case you are a 9th and 10th student, you can definitely check out his lectures. You can join his pro batches. It will be amazing. I can assure you of it. When is the next mentee quiz? Lakshmi, I will plan it out. Once we complete this chapter, I will conduct a mentee quiz. Don't worry. It will be amazing. Very good. So people, shall we get going? Yes, Sanvi, I know. Fantastic. So in that video, you're asking Raghav. He was teaching something about mirrors. Concave, convex mirrors. So probably next time I'll show you. I'll pause it and answer that question. So guys, how many of you say yes? How many of you say no? Can the exponential function be negative? Yes or no? Everybody think about it and answer. Sakshi Tomar, welcome Sakshi. Ravi Teja, welcome man. Aishwarya says no. Smiley sisters. Hello, welcome, welcome. Shalini says yes. Joel says yes. Anjana says yes. So guys, what is the answer? Yes or no? Are you guys serious? Guys, it is no. It is a big no. Come on people. It is a big no. Because exponential functions output will always be positive. What is the range of exponential function? The range of exponential function is always positive real numbers. That means from 0 up to infinity. It cannot even be 0. It can never be even 0, guys. Joel, it is always positive, Joel, because your base is always positive, na? Your base, Joel, is always positive. So whatever be the value of x, it doesn't matter, Joel. Your range will always be positive. Is that clear? Don't forget that. Are you all clear with it? Fantastic. So people, with that, let's get going. I will show you what is the domain and range of exponential function. Make a note of it. This is the domain, all real numbers. Range will be only positive real numbers. Please make a note of it. So whenever you have exponential function a to the power x, the domain is all real numbers because I can throw whatever I want inside it. So exponential function is also a machine, right? So inside this machine, I can throw whatever values I want. So the domain is all real numbers. But the output will be, what I get will always be positive. It can never be negative. So please understand, the output is nothing but range. Output is nothing but range. Input is nothing but domain. So input can be anything. So domain can be any real number. But the output has to be positive real numbers alone. Don't make a mistake in that. Okay. So with that, let's get going to the properties of exponential functions. Are you all aware of this property? Are you all aware of these properties? Think about it and tell me in the chat. Hello, Rishat Anto Fernando, welcome man. Nupur Agrawal, welcome Nupur, glad to have you here. Welcome to this channel. Are you all aware of this? So when you multiply two exponents with the same base, then you can add the power and put the same base. This is the property number 1. Multiplication of two terms which are exponents basically. So you have a power x multiplied by a power y. So whenever they are having the same base, I can just put the same base and add the powers directly. So I have given you an example here. 2 power 3 into 2 power 5 is equal to 2 power 3 plus 5, which is 2 power 8, and that is nothing but 256. Are you all clear? Anvika, how domain is R? Because exponential functions can take input as any value. Input can be any value. Very good, Jayvant, you're right. Sanvi, fantastic. Shalini, great. Sanvi says C. Aishwarya says C. Anabayan, C. That's absolutely right. Kanishkar, Aditya Sendil, Shalini, Ashkar, yes. Tenyat, Pujita, Ragashia, Vedika, Shimon Sir's fan. Great, the name has changed now from Sanvi. I don't know whether I should feel proud or bad about this. Devansh, Dairya. Darya. Unique names, man, you guys have. Avantika, very good. Rishat, Antho, you're right. Raghav. Vedika, if you say so, then okay. Sudhir, crack with Gokulnath. Logeshwari. Sejal is also right. Very good, people. The answer is option C. Because whenever you have product of two exponents of the same base, you just add the powers. So if I add the powers, I'll get a to the power plus 1. So that is nothing but a to the power 1, which is option C. Got it? Absolutely right. So with that, people, let's get going to the next laddu part. What if you divide? So if you divide two exponents, a power x by a power y, you subtract the powers, right? And put the same base. So whenever you have division of two exponents which are the same base, so put the same base and subtract the powers, that will be the answer. So for example, 2 power 4 by 2 power 2 will be 2 power 4 minus 2, which will be 2 power 2. And that's the answer, as you can see over here. Very simple. I'm sure you guys are all aware of this. So let's get going. It's a very tough question. Think about it. You need to use entire brain for this, okay? So don't answer fast, guys. If the base is a different number, you cannot do this, Shalini. You have to do it separately only. Very good, people. You guys are legendary. You guys are all absolute legends. So the answer is option B, my dear students, because a power 4 by a power minus 1 is equal to a power 4 minus of minus 1. So it will be a power 4 plus 1, which is equal to a power 5. Amazing job. You guys are absolutely correct. Okay. So with that, this is reciprocal of exponents. Today food did not come. Now you have brought it up now, Vedika. So it has come. Great. So everybody is right. Now people, before we go forward, I want to give you a very important insight here. At least you should have kept a power 3 in the options to confuse. No. I want to make it easy for you guys. So that initially you feel excited. You'll be like, okay, I'm learning a lot. And as we move forward, slowly the dosage will increase. It's like medicine. If I show you medicines are very, what do you say, tasteless or bitter, nobody will take the medicine, right? Initially your mother will give you that syrup. Those syrups are all very tasty. So you just take the syrup, and what will come after the syrup? After the syrup, a nice bitter tablet will come, and you will still happily take it. That is how we are also progressing, okay? So don't get too excited. Sir, nice questions you are giving, sir. Yeah, you be happy for now. But as we keep going forward, we will come to good stuff. So please wait for it. Today, fully the answers are option B. Legendary Logeshwari. I didn't observe that, but great stuff. Now people, Anjana is asking, sir, are you vaccinated? So everybody saw Shreyas sir's video, right? So Shreyas sir put his entire journey right from his house all the way to the vaccination center and coming back. Did you all see that? So he wanted to educate you guys to take vaccine. I will take vaccine soon, don't worry. But as of now, I am just waiting for the right time. So I am just waiting for the stars to align in the correct manner so that I can go out and get vaccinated. Okay. So why don't you do shorts, sir? I'll try to. I also tried it, but by the time I wake up, it's already time for class. So I have to start teaching. No time for shorts. No Stark in Tamil Nadu. Great. Muhurt. No, not Muhurt. I'm waiting for a good time when the right vaccine comes to the right place and I'll also be in the right place. Only then. Lockdown in Chennai, yes man, lockdown is still going on, but hopefully it'll be alright soon, don't worry. So people, let's get started. Now I'm going to teach about the reciprocal of a exponential function. Okay, so if you have a power minus x, it can be written as 1 by a power x. I hope you guys are aware of it. So whenever you have a negative in the power, you can make it positive by making it 1 by that number. Got it? Are you all clear? I told it before, na? Exactly, Shalini. A power minus 1 is 1 by a power minus 2 is 1 by a square, and a power 2 also you can write as 1 by a power minus 2. So this is also possible. Okay, it is not just that negative numbers can be changed, even positive numbers can be changed by doing this reciprocal stuff. I hope you are all clear with it. Everybody got it? Even this is possible. Even a power plus 2 can be written as 1 by a power minus 2. Okay, it can be both ways. Think about it and be very clear about it. Now, try to do this, my dear children. Everybody. Yes, crack with Gokulnath, you're right. Sejal, waiting for Pfizer. Oh, Kanishkar is brilliant, man. He understood what is there in my heart. Kanishkar, you are a legend, man. Your general knowledge is very high. Yes, Kanishkar. I'm kind of waiting for Pfizer, but I don't know Pfizer whether it will come to India. They are still talking about it, so we don't know. Good. I am so happy that much general knowledge people have. Because I don't know whether I will have that much when I was your age. So people, shall we get started? Let's have a look at it. So how do you solve this question? 1 by a square and a cube. So a square into a cube, since it's a product of two numbers which have the same base, so I can write it as a to the power 2 plus 3. So it will be 1 by a to the power 5. Are you all clear with it? It is going to be 1 by a to the power 5, and that can be written as a to the power minus 5 because I am reciprocating it. Whenever you reciprocate something, the power will become negative. As simple as that. Are you all clear? Fantastic. Who is Pfizer? No man, Pfizer is a company. Pfizer. I think this is the spelling. So it's a company which produces vaccine. Okay. So in India you have Covaxin, right? So Covaxin is what people are mostly using, and then you have Covishield. You have Covishield, and Sputnik is also coming, right, from Russia. So from Russia you have Sputnik. So these are the three things which are available. So mostly people are using this. I think Shreyas sir got this only, right? I think he got either this or this, I'm not sure. So this is very commonly available in India. Everybody is putting that. So no, I trust everything, man. I trust everything. But the thing is, I felt I should wait for Pfizer. Okay, so Pfizer is the US vaccine and India is planning to get it. Okay, so I thought I'll wait for it. So I was just thinking, should I take Covaxin or should I take Pfizer? So that decision I was thinking, and correctly Kanishkar was saying that. Okay, Kanishkar was saying that. That's why I said good general knowledge, not bad. Okay, but yeah, there are many vaccines, guys, okay, so there are many vaccines. From Pfizer also you have one more called Johnson & Johnson, right? They also have a vaccine. So you can't wait for what is best. You just have to take which is available because safety is more important. So let's see how it goes. Take any of them, all are better. Yes, Dairya, you're right. But in TN, no vaccine? I don't think so, man. Everywhere you will get vaccine. If you try, you will. You have to register in the portal, but. So guys, this is the next property. Are you all clear with this? Shall we move forward? So, a to the power x whole to the power p will be a to the power px. You guys are aware of this, right? We have studied this in our lower classes. Isn't that right, Rishat? Very good. Abhignan, I will try to conduct one more mock test, Abhignan. Yes. We will try to do that. Perfect. So based on this, we'll solve one question and we'll wrap it up. Slots are not available. Yes, Prince. Yes, I heard that. It's very difficult to register, but it'll get better with time, guys. Just wait for some time. You will be getting it. Don't worry. What is the answer? Yes, people. The answer is option B. Majority of you are absolutely correct, because the answer is 1 by a to the power minus 2 whole cube. That will be 1 by a to the power minus 6, which will be a to the power 6, because reciprocal means power will become negative, so that will become a to the power 6. Very good, Avantika. Crack with Gokulnath, Nancy, Shweta. Yes, Shweta, that's right. Sudhir, Tenyat, you guys are brilliant. Absolutely correct. So with that, the next question for you is right on your screen. Please try to solve it, my dear boys and girls. Do it quickly. Let's see if you guys are correct. This is also a nice question. Can we have one chit chat session? I did that, Sanvi, just 2 days back. Ask me anything. I told you can ask me anything, and that was basically a long chit chat session. But it was nice. I loved it. We had discussed so many things there. Very good. So people are saying option B. What is the right answer? Some people are saying A. Oh, you missed it. Okay, I didn't even realize that. I feel like you're always there in every session. Great. So people, I think nobody is right. Let me just solve it. So it is 3 power x plus 2 into 3 power x will be 3 into 3 power x, plus here you will have 6 into 3 power x. Okay, because I can write it as 3 power x into 3. So that will be 6 into 3 power x. So I'll have 9 into 3 power x. So that will be 3 power 2 into 3 power x, which will be 3 power x plus 2. So nobody was right. I don't know why. Such a laddu question. Everybody says, sir, such an easy question, sir. You're teaching so easy. It's like 6th standard, 7th standard. But then why didn't anybody do it? Sharon is asking, what is this? Maths, Sharon, maths. 11th and 12th standard basic maths, this is. Come on, people. You cannot afford to go wrong in this. Tenyat says, I thought it's 2 into 3. Okay. Are you all clear? Ayush Raj, I just simplified it, man. See, this is 1 into 3 power x. This is 2 into 3 power x. So add them. So 1 plus 2 is 3 into 3 power x. Now this will be 2 into 3 power x plus 1. So 3 power x plus 1, Ayush Raj, can be written as 3 power x into 3. So 2 into 3 will be 6. So it will be 6 into 3 power x. So you have 6, 3. So 6 plus 3 is 9. So 9 into 3 power x, simplify it, get the answer, done. Okay, very good, Rishat. You guys are absolutely amazing. With that, we'll have the homework question. So guys, homework question is very similar to what I gave just now. Comment it down below. I want a lot of answers. Every time I see only a few people answering, 40 people is not good. I want 100 answers. Please try to do it, everybody. Okay. So students, if you want to join the regular classes at Vedantu where I teach, you can definitely be a part of it. Try it out for 1 month. See if you like it. Then you can join it for 1 year as well. Okay. So if you have any questions to ask me, let me know and I will try to help you out. So at Vedantu, we do teach year-long batches also. Vedantu is not only a YouTube channel. We teach for entire year. So if you are from 2022 batch, we teach you for 1 year. If you are from 2023 batch, then we'll teach you for 2 years. In case you want to be in my batch or if you want to join Vedantu, the process is very simple. I'll tell you. But before I go there, I'll show you what all we do in Vedantu so that you understand why Vedantu is very famous. Okay. So first we have the live classes where you will have master teacher and class teacher. So in a single class, you will have more than one teacher because for your doubts, you will have class teacher. For teaching, you will have master teacher. So I am a master teacher in Vedantu, as you can see over here. So I will be the teaching faculty, and you also have other teachers called as class teachers who handle all your doubts. So after the live class, you will get assignment every day. Whatever we teach you, based on that you will get assignment, and after that you will get recordings of that session. So in case you missed it, you had school, you came late, or you missed a session by mistake, then you can get the recordings of those sessions, you will get the notes, you will get Tattva material and assignment. Got it? And all of it, after you solve it, you will be tested every 2 weeks. You will be tested every 2 weeks on JEE Mains level and JEE Advanced level. And then you have doubt solving also. So these are all the various features available. You guys can check it out. In case you are interested, join it. So this is the platform. So this is how the Vedantu's platform will look like. This is the board. We call it the whiteboard. We will give you quizzes. We will give you hotspot. And it is not like YouTube. Here, I do not know who is answering correct, who is answering wrong. So that is why Vedantu's platform, we exactly know how many students get it correct, how many students go wrong, who is answering right, who is answering wrong. All that is kept track of, so that we can suggest a learning methodology for you. Like I said, Vedantu takes care of you and they take responsibility for you. That is the best part which I like about Vedantu. Okay, so these are all what we call as quizzes. And yes guys, Tattva alone is enough for your JEE Mains preparation. It is absolutely essential. It is absolutely sufficient. And yes, tomorrow at 3 o'clock, I have a class with Abhishek Sir at Vedantu. Okay, not in YouTube, at Vedantu's app. You will find me coming live tomorrow at 3 o'clock with Abhishek Sir for a fantastic session. Check it out. Okay. So Devansh, thank you so much Devansh. I'm so happy you enjoyed it. I would love to see you again. So people, in case you want to join it, I would like to talk about the results Vedantu has produced also. So last year, we had fabulous result in JEE Advanced. We got All India rank 43. Did you all know that? In Advanced. One of Vedantu students got All India rank 43. And this year, we had 300 students above 99 percentile. This very year. It is still not over. Maybe in the next attempt, we'll have 1000 students above 99 percentile. That will be an achievement, na? That will be a crazy achievement. I think with you guys, we can do that. Okay. So make sure you guys check it out. This is the year-long program. So the batches are starting from 7th June. In case you all want to be here, you want to study with Vedantu's teachers, check it out, because for 2 years, JEE 2023, we don't know when the exam is. It can be in July 2023, August 2023, September 2023, October 2023. We don't know COVID, how the situation is going to be, nobody knows. But whenever your exam is, till that time we'll take care of you for just 54,000 for 2 years. That means for 1 year you're just paying 27,000. That means for 1 month you're just paying 2,300 or 400. And you have classes every day. Every 6 days of the week you get classes. Got it? Perfect. So this is the code that you have to use, SHJ Pro. That is my coupon code. And what is this feature? Why is this expensive? Why is this expensive? So this is the basic class. You have everything over here. Live classes you will get, Tattva material you will get, assignments you will get, tests you will get, doubt solving during class. That is very important. Here you get doubt solving only during the class. Sir, what about after the class, sir? After the class, if you have doubt solving, then you have to take Classic, because this has doubt solving on the mobile app. So this you can use for after the class as well. And the last one is the Pro Plus subscription, where you'll have a personal mentor apart from doubt solving. So this has lot of features. That is why it is expensive. But guys, if you feel 54,000 is expensive, you can go for monthly subscription also. So monthly it is just 3,600. Monthly it is just 4,900. Monthly it is just 6,700. So you can decide what is important, what is needed for you, and then go for it. Okay? Very good. So people, with that I'll conclude. This is the crash course for those who are in 2021 batch. For those who are writing JEE Mains this year, who are writing VIEEE, SRM, for those people, crash course might be a better option. And it was 10,000 initially, but now the price is just 6,000. You can use my coupon code and use the link given below in the description. The crash course batches are starting very soon, day after tomorrow basically. It is starting 31st May and it is 6,000 for all 3 subjects. Math, physics, chemistry. Also, you get test series. All of it put together for 6,000. It's a brilliant deal. Check it out. And guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe. Share this video to your friends and definitely like it also. Sharon, crash course is for JEE Mains this year. So the exam will happen either in July or August, right? So we will train you for that. So the crash course, my dear boys and girls, is for the current year aspirants. So we will complete the entire syllabus in just 90 classes. So that will help you. You will also get test series as part of it. The JEE Mains, JEE Advanced test series, you will get it as a part of it. Go check it out. Okay, so it is going to start on 31st May. In case you're all interested, please go and check it out. It will be in English and we also have crash courses in Hindi as well. Will you teach in the crash course? I teach a few chapters, not all chapters. So how do you enroll? I'll show you how to enroll. Please listen carefully. Just go to the video. So you see the video, right? This is our video. You see all the students here. Sanvi is asking a very good question. Do all CTs also have shirts like master teachers? No, Sanvi. I think no as of now. Maybe later they will get. So guys, what you will do is come down the video. And you see here, subscribe to Vedantu Pro is there. So click on that and it will take you to a link. So you can choose whichever plan you want. Pro Lite, Pro Classic, Pro Plus. So whichever you want, you subscribe. You can even try it out for 1 month. Okay, you can even try it out for 1 month. You can try it for 1 month. It is just 3,600. So whichever you feel is good for you, go for it. You can try for 1 year also, 2 years also. It's up to you. And how do you check the crash course? The crash course will be below. So for those who are interested in the crash course, click on this link and you can choose which batch you want. See, 31st May, 17th May, 24th May. There are 3 batches going on right now. You can choose whichever you want and click on buy now. Then you can pay how much ever it's asked. 6,000, right? You get 4,000 rupees offer. So that's about it. I think I've explained pretty much the entire procedure to enroll. Now it is just a matter of your decision, your belief and your interest to get into IIT, NIT or securing your future. Okay, Shalini, just pull the video back and Shalini, if you have a doubt, please message me here, Shalini, I'll help you out. Don't worry. Don't panic, don't worry. It is a very simple concept what I did today. So in case you have any doubt, message me here. Okay. So people, with that, we will conclude our session. If you want the session PDF, do check out our Telegram group. You will get all the session PDFs and all the important updates of our channel. And lastly, but not the least, do subscribe to our channel. Share this video to one student or one friend whom you have, because I told you guys, each one should at least reach one person every day, so that this channel can grow and become big. Okay, and finally, don't forget to like the video in case you forgot to like it. Fantastic, Sudhir. One Tirukural. Why do you guys like Tirukural? Google it. They'll sing for you, Tirukural. You listen to it till tomorrow. Great. Each one grab one. Great, man. So people, all the very best. Take care and see you all in the next one. Till then, work hard, do your best, and hopefully you guys will achieve whatever you dream of. Okay, bye-bye guys, take care, see you in the next one, bye-bye.